Hello beautiful people, welcome to a new video on my channel. For those who didn't see my previous video, I would like to wish a prosperous 2022 for you and for your complete family. And now let's go to the video. This is all about the brake booster of the Corvette, the 76 Corvette C3. And this is the old brake booster that has been removed because it was defect. And I'm going to open it to see what was wrong with it. And perhaps I can rebuild it because the next one that went in my Corvette about 2 years ago is also defect now. And perhaps with the two together I can make one good one. That's what I'm going to try. If I fail, I have to buy a new booster and put that in it. So stay tuned for that. So here is the booster, and you see there are some iron lips that has to be folded upwards to get them over those edges that you see here. After that we have turned it to the right. These things also have to go over the edges after it is turned to the right, and then it is possible to open it, but it is a tedious job and you have to be very careful not to make some damages to it, otherwise it's gone for good. So here we are again a few days later. I tried to turn it open here, but I was banging with this piece of pipe against all those tabs in the different directions, soaked it with WD-40, and it didn't move one bit. So now we will have to take other measures, and I will drill out all these tabs with an iron drill and bend the leftovers upwards, and then with a screwdriver, sharp screwdriver, I will go in between those two iron things, and I think I can open it that way. It will be not very easy because I think, as you can see, it is very much rusted, and it is rusted together, and it seems like it is glued with some silicone too. I don't know, but we will see. So in here it is too cold, it is freezing cold here, and now I'm going to take it inside and we will go from there. So I put a mark here so that I could see afterwards how it was supposed to be when assembling it back, if ever I do that. So, but after drilling these holes, I could easily bend those tabs and could remove the upper half of the booster, and the spring was here. At first glance, the rubber seems to be intact, but that will be an aspect of the further investigation. There is, however, a lot of rust here inside where the rubber has to move over, where the membrane has to contact the metal. There is a lot of rust, so there could be already a vacuum leak because of that. But that is for a later video, guys. The diagnosis, in-depth diagnosis, and the disassembling of this booster is another video. So if you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Find us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.